Biography of Khan Sir. Khan Sir is one of the most famous teachers in India. He is known for his simple teaching style and funny way of explaining difficult topics. Millions of students watch his classes on YouTube and attend his coaching institute in Bihar. He always encourages students to study hard and never give up. Today, he is an inspiration for many young people. Early life. Khan Sir was born in a middle-class family in India. His exact birth date and full name are not publicly confirmed. He spent his childhood in a simple environment. His parents taught him the importance of honesty, discipline, and education. From a young age, he loved reading books and learning new things. Education. Khan Sir completed his school education in his hometown. He was interested in science and general knowledge. Later, he continued his higher studies. During his student life, he worked very hard and always wanted to gain more knowledge. Struggles. Life was not easy for Khan Sir. His family did not have great wealth. He faced many financial problems. Sometimes he had very little money, but he never stopped studying. He believed that hard work could change a person's life. These struggles made him stronger. Becoming a teacher. After completing his education, Khan Sir decided to become a teacher. He started teaching small groups of students. His simple language and interesting examples made learning easy. Soon, many students joined his classes because they enjoyed his teaching style. Success in Bihar. Khan Sir opened his coaching institute in Patna, Bihar. Thousands of students came to study there. His classes became popular because he explained difficult topics in a very simple way. Students respected him for his dedication and kindness. YouTube journey and success. Khan Sir started teaching on YouTube after becoming popular in Bihar. His educational videos quickly became famous across India. Millions of students watched his lessons for competitive exams, current affairs, history, geography, science, and general knowledge. His YouTube channel became one of the largest educational channels in India. Today, Khan Sir is loved by students from every part of India. His teaching style is unique, simple, and easy to understand. He has received love, respect, and appreciation from millions of students. Even after becoming famous, he continues to focus on education and helping students achieve their dreams. Personal qualities and moral. Khan Sir is known for his honesty, confidence, discipline, dedication, and kindness. He motivates students to believe in themselves. He says that success comes through hard work, patience, and continuous learning. Khan Sir's journey teaches us that success does not depend on money or background. It depends on hard work, determination, and the desire to learn. He proved that one dedicated teacher can change the lives of millions of students. Moral. Work hard, never give up, keep learning, and always help others. Success will come with patience and dedication.